Hello everyone, this is group 9. We are going to present the permeability test of soil. Permeability is the measure of how easy the water can pass through into the soil. It has two methods of doing this test. First one is constant head permeability. The second is falling head permeability test. In our group, we are going to present the constant head permeability, how it is being done. Now, welcome to our presentation. Pay attention and follow. To start our experiment, let's first show you some apparatus that are being used in this test. The first apparatus is the permeator. This is the permeator. The second one is the spring. The third are the polar stone. And there we have the cylinder, which is used to measure the discharge of water passing through the soil. And we have the sand as the material to be used. This is a dry sand. And we have the funnel, which is used to let flow the water into the plastic tube or pipette. And we have the electronic balance. The first step in our test is to measure the mass of all the components of our permeator. And now we are going to assemble all the components of a permeator together. First, we have to fix a paper on permeator. Then we fix a polar stone up to the paper, and then we are going to fix the permeator chamber. Then after fixing the permeator chamber, we have to put inside the spring and with the remaining polar stone. Now we are going to measure the weight of our permeator assembled together with its components. Using our electronic balance, we see that its weight is 1669.8 grams. The second step, you are going to collect the oven dry sand in a container, and then you are going to pour the sand into the specimen tube. Continue filling the sand into the specimen tube. We fill the sand up to the top end of our specimen tube. After filling the sand, we have to compact using the compacting material. After compacting, we are going to undergo to the third step. We fix the top polar stone into the tube to rest firmly on the specimen, and then we fix the spring up to the polar stone. Then after, we have to close our permeator so that we can start our experiment. After closing the permeator, and arranging all the components, filling the sand, you are going to undergo to the fourth step. Now the fourth step is to determine the mass of the permeator filled with the sand. Now the mass is 3,647.9 grams. This is the total mass of a permeator filled with the sand. After this, we are going to measure the length of the compacted specimen in the tube. Looking on the ruler we are using, our specimen has the length of 12 centimeters. After measuring the length, we are going to run water into the top of the large funnel fixed up to our permeator. We start running water through the funnel and the plastic tube to run through our sand. We put water until when the water is going to remain constant in the funnel. At the time it is going to remain constant, we stop filling water, and then we are going to stop our experiment. We take a rest of like 10 minutes.
Then, as you observe, I flow the water into the fan so that our specimen become saturated.
Now you see that water in the funnel is constant. Then you wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now you are going to start to record the volume of water passed through the specimen. Recording the volume, you are going to do this exercise 3 times, spaced in equal interval of time.